You can create a variety of fun projects with the FHSM 505 multifunctional domestic sewing machine. This machine is easy to use for beginning and advanced sewers alike. It's include 12 different stitches, sewing sleeves, automatic thread rewind, built-in sewing light, adjustable high and low speed, change the presser foot to sew different fabrics and crafts. You can use it to change the old cloth and make an unique new one, or make pillow, small cloth for pets or dolls, a cute cup mat, curtains, bags, etc. It will be a good helper for your living.
Welcome to the owner's class video for the Singer Simple 3232 sewing machine. Let's start by taking a tour of the machine. The first thing we're going to do is plug in the machine and turn it on. And you'll know the machine is on when the light comes on. On the side we have the hand wheel. On the top we have the bobbin winding stopper and bobbin winding spindle, the carry handle, the spool pin where we'll put our thread when we thread the machine, the stitch width dial to adjust the width of our stitches, the tension dial to fine-tune the look of our stitches, the bobbin winding tension disc, a metal threading guide, another metal guide, the take-up lever, which will be really important when we thread the machine. On the front, we have the reverse lever, the stitch length dial, and the stitch selector dial. Down by our needle, we have the built-in needle threader, the needle, the all-purpose foot, and behind the all-purpose foot we have the presser foot lifter, which raises and lowers our presser foot. When we remove the accessory tray, we expose the free arm of the machine, and when we open the door, we have accessories inside. In this pouch we have some essentials like needles, extra bobbins, a spool cap, and some additional presser feet, as well as a buttonhole foot. Let's take a look at some of those extra presser feet that come with our machine. In addition to the all-purpose foot that's already on your machine, you get the buttonhole foot for making buttonholes, the button sewing foot for sewing on buttons, and the zipper foot, used for inserting zippers into your projects, but it can also be used for piping.